Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video I will show you an easy way to change the text and font size in YouTube video description. So guys, let's start today's video. To change the text and font size in your YouTube video description, just open your Google and type 𝗪𝗏𝗶𝗃/WT22. Click enter. Now this website will be open in front of you. Now just click on this link. Read of how to bold YouTube description text. Click on this link and you will go to this website. To change the font size for your YouTube video description, just type any text here. I am going to my YouTube video description. If I want to make this text bold, I just copy this line of text and paste this text inside this green box, and just click on this button, create bold YouTube or Facebook text. Below the green box, click on this button, and here below you can see that a multiple bold text version has been created. Just copy this bold text and paste this text inside your YouTube video description. I am going to paste it here. You can see that a bold text version has been created. You can also paste this text a new font size, and if I paste it here, you can see that the font size of this text has also been changed. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to press like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks.